Is a Beam wallet just another app on your phone? Or is it a digital vault for your finances? Today, we're diving into a question that might sound simple, but has a lot of layers. Can a Beam wallet hold cash? When we talk about cash, most of us think of physical money, the kind you can hold in your hand, feel the texture of, and use to buy a coffee from a street vendor. The simple answer to the question is no, a Beam wallet cannot physically hold paper bills or coins. It's a digital platform. Think of it more like a high-tech debit card or secure online bank account, not a physical wallet. So what can it hold? The Beam wallet is designed to manage digital assets. Its core function is to facilitate secure, confidential transactions using its native cryptocurrency, Beam. But it's not just a one-trick pony. The wallet also has features for handling other digital currencies and assets. The real power of a Beam wallet comes from what it lets you do. It's built on a privacy-focused blockchain, so all your transactions are secure and confidential by default. You can send and receive money with complete anonymity. It's designed to be fast and efficient, cutting out the middleman and keeping fees low. But here's where it gets interesting. While you can't stuff dollar bills into the app, the Beam wallet acts as a gateway to interact with the broader financial world. Through partnerships and specific features, you can convert your digital assets back into traditional currency, what's known as fiat. You can then withdraw that money to a linked bank account. So, while the wallet itself doesn't hold cash, it's a tool that can help you manage and access it. So, if you're looking for a digital solution to replace your bulky leather wallet, Beam offers a modern, secure, and private alternative for handling your finances in the digital age. It's not about carrying cash anymore, it's about having access to your money anywhere, anytime, with a tap on your phone.